Hey guys, Ron here again doing a range test on the new Mavic 2 Pro. A lot of guys are claiming that they're not getting more than 2 to 3 miles on their range, and they've drawn concern. But today we're going to do a range test on this to see how far we can go. But mind you, the point of a range test is not the range. It's the connectivity within that range. You're going to want to know you're going to have a good solid signal. And DJI is claiming 5 miles on this bird. I'm hoping to get between 4 to 4.5. So, without further ado, here comes the range test. Well guys, as you've seen, the Mavic 2 Pro went over 4 miles. It went 22,822 feet. If you guys are wondering how many miles that is, go ahead and check this out. It went 4.32 miles, which I'm happy with. But if you notice the connectivity during the flight, it was actually a pretty solid connection. I'm actually pretty impressed with the connection that I had with this drone. It literally just went kaput on me. And as you guys notice, I was flying right next to a power plant. I was right next to the dam. I went literally, over some orchards. I was in a mountain area. So all in all, I'm really impressed with the connection that I had with the drone. Not only are the photos great, the connection's great. I'm very impressed with this drone so far. I have yet to find any flaws with it. That are actually major flaws. Now I've seen some people out there only get 2.5 miles on their drone with the new Mavics. Again, you see me go 4.32 miles. I'm pretty happy with that. So I've also gotten people question me on how did this compare to the Evo's range test. So I also did a screenshot of what the Evo did right there. 4 miles exactly. I could have pushed it a little further, but when I landed it, the battery was critically low. This battery, when I landed, I still had about 15% left or so. I have to go check the footage again, but I still had enough battery. So, I'm actually, all in all, both drones are good. But nonetheless, if you guys are interested in purchasing any drone in particular, check down in the description below. Click on Drone-Works' link. They also have a special financing option available within their website. I'll also put that link down there as well. Guys, if there's anything specific you want to see, give me a message. I'll be more than happy to oblige. Also, go ahead and subscribe down below. Thanks for watching. Happy flying and fly safe. Take it easy, guys.